My name is Joe Bushnell. I work for enable.services. I'm one of the directors here and a senior solutions consultant. I've been working with CRM for about the past 22 years. So when we talk about CRM, we think about what teams nearly always use CRM, and everyone always goes about sales and marketing. They go, sales and marketing that's what CRM's for. However, that's not always the case, and that shouldn't always be the case, because the CRM should really be the central source of truth for the entire business. It should contain the issues, complaints. It should be containing the orders. So you go from a customer services point of view with issues, complaints, tickets, your correspondence back to that customer, to the orders, the process and the operations. And all that information really should be feeding into the CRM to give the sales and marketing the right tool what they need. And that obviously goes into integrations and things like this, but keeping it simple to start with, but then building out and making sure a CRM can build with you is essential to be any project what we deal with. Start small. Use a phased approach. Don't try and do the big bang. If you try and do the big bang, it will never go live. You've heard of the CRMs of the past, such as the BBC one, etc., would never go live. However, automation workflows, give something back to the users. Make sure they're getting something out of the CRM. Make sure that you're getting reports out of the CRM. Make sure the data has been pushed into the right fields at the right time so you can report on the data. Make sure that you task tracking, KPIs. They're in CRM. They're in CRM for a reason. Use that kind of functionality. Try and make it simple. Try and make it to the point using dependent fields, questionable fields. If this meets this, do this. And that's kind of how you progress the CRM. Easy, phased approach, ease of use, automations, reporting, dashboards. That's how you actually do a CRM and get it right working. When we're talking about CRM, when we think about the users who are using it, the teams who are using it, take a step back, think who's going to get the most out of the CRM. Think about who's going to get the information, who needs that information. So go along those lines, and you're going to be in a safe place to actually implement the CRM correctly and make sure a CRM is working for you and your team. If we can help with anything, let us know. We're enable.services. Thank you so much for your help, and thank you for listening.